In this video, I'll be showing you how to move rows in Excel. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this, and you can do it on anything you're using Excel on, whether you're on like a Windows PC or laptop or a MacBook or anything like that. Now, as you can see, I have some metrics right here, but as you can see, this is currently wrong. It says 1, 2, 4, 3, 5, when I want it to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this one has to be basically moved, but I want obviously all the data, like 3, John, and 78. I want all of it to be moved, right? So what I've got to go ahead and do is click on the specific row you want to move. So let's say in my instance is number 5. It's now, clicked and highlighted, or the entire row is highlighted. So what you want to do is once it's highlighted, as you can see, the entire row is highlighted, and I want to move it upwards, right? So I want to hold shift on my keyboard. Once holding it, then hold my left click, but I need to make sure my mouse doesn't look like this with like this blocky plus. I want it to look like this. Now, once it's like that, then I can then move it upwards wherever I want. So now it's going to be on number 4. Go ahead and click it. And now, as you can see, it's now shifted, and now it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and check out other tutorials on the channel as well.